Hey all, this is Bando Picks doing an unboxing. I believe this is from Handcuff Warehouse. Let's get into it. Do the gravity knife. Let's see if I can get into it here. All right, so we're in. Put this up. We gotta clean that first. That's pretty bad. Let's shut that. Got the THCs or TCH, not THCs. Oh my God, TCH UK Limited. United Kingdom. They come from the United Kingdom. And then I got, what else did I get? Got a ASP key, clip key from them. And then I also got the X55 Chicago's and the high security cuffs from Chicago as well. But yeah, let us bust into these real quick. Let's see a picture of these. Let's see what these. Okay, set that to the side. They come wrapped in this paper. Keys inside. So always put one up here in my, put a key up here in my key and shim thing. So put one key up there, one key down there for now. Oh yeah, these are serious. They're double locked. Pretty cool. Let's see if I can turn off the double lock on them. There we go. Yeah, those are pretty sweet. Very impressed. I wonder if they don't put them on the same way in the UK, because these are pretty stiff compared to the ASPs. That's those, and I'll do some more videos of the Chicago's here in the future. All right, thanks all. Please like and subscribe, and catch you next time.